Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. The previous class we have seen Unit 4 Prose. The topic of the lesson is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. We have seen part 1. In this class, we are going to learn part 2. So, all of you take your textbook and take page number 48. Page number 48, fifth para. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukraine astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. See, already in the previous class, we have seen the short biography about Kalpana Chawla, how she went to the space and how she taken the challenges in her life that we can see. So in this para, they describe about the first space mission. So how where it was conducted, Columbia, for how many days? 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. This is a very important. You just underline. During this time, she went around. How many times she traveling? 252 times she around the earth, and 10 point she traveling 10.45 million kilometers. So it was a very excellent travel, and it included the Japanese and Ukraine astronaut also included in that group. Okay, they performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food in growth phase. So what are the things they observe? How to observe food by the plants? They all noted this and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. So these all the experiments they done in that time. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. So that mission was very success on the 15 days, 16 hours. But what happened on the late nights of Saturday? They hear the news. It was really a bad news. So what happened in Colombia? There is a disaster broke. So it was a disbelief news. So what happened? We can see in the next page. Page number 49. The town of Cornell spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to the television sets in the hope that Kalpana Chawla and her crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote. So what happened? That mission was failed, of course, on the late night of Saturday. It was success on 15 days, but at the last, when they returned to the earth, it was became the disbelief news. So the town of Cornell spent a sleepless night. So every people they are prayed for the crew, but what happened? Really, it becomes tragedy. So in that time, a journalist wrote about their crew. What? See, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is inspiring. So this is a very famous quote it written by the journalist about Kalpana Chawla. She was a heroine. It means she is a main character of the crew. It takes enormous ability to become the astronaut. But who had this like ability had by uh, Kalpana Chawla? You need to know lot about everything. So we are going to learn lot about everything from Kalpana Chawla, and of course she became the astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have. So who has the Kalpana Chawla has an encyclopedia knowledge about the astronaut. That's why she became the success in the short time. Her achievement is really awe-inspiring. So this like statement given by the journalist after her news or the tragedy. It means after her death, one man, the journalist, he written about Kalpana Chawla this paragraph. So really, she is a very inspiring character. So what you thought? So our aim is very good. We just work hard. This one we should learn from Kalpana Chawla. Okay. So turn page number 50. Page number 15. At the end of this lesson, 7th para. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from the small town who touched the skies had become an inspiration. Yes, really, it was a very inspired story because we know her. She was become to a normal middle class family, from the girl from the very small town, but who touched the sky. It was really very inspired. In a message that she sent from the abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said. So at the end, she given some message to the students of that astronaut group. So what message everyone should remember in your life? So the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get it on it. Wishing you a great journey. So this is a very great news she shared to us. The path from dreams. So if you have any dreams, really it is not very easy to achieve. May you have the vision to find it. If you are find out the dream how to achieve, really very courage to get it whatever happen. So that like courageous woman she was. So we should learn from the courageous and talent and skill and how to achieve. So everything we learn from Kalpana Chawla. At last she said, wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off from the journey to fulfill their dream. So this is a very inspired story. Her message really, I hope you all inspired about Kalpana Chawla. So if you have any dream, you must get courage. This is her message. Okay, we all should have courage to get it, and everyone should have the dream. You may be a whatever you are belongs to whatever family, no problem. But whatever you want to do, you just work hard, you definitely will achieve. This is her message. Okay, so this is only given in this story. It was adapted from Span January February 1998. This story was taken. Okay, so that's all, my dear students. The class over. Now I give the note for that question answer. So all of you take your English note and write the question answer in your English note and start study. Thank you.